ادھر آپ کو پروف کرنا پڑتا ہے کہ آپ ایک LGBT پرسن ہو.
پر میں تو ایسے نہیں ہوں.
وہی تو بول رہا آپ نہیں ہو. باقی سب کچھ تو obvious اب امید نہ رکھو.
You've all done a briefing yesterday. As you know, we're dividing into two teams and going to two different addresses. And we're going to attempt to arrest our two subjects. Hello, can you come to the door, please? Hello, good morning.
Yes.
Is she in?
Yeah.
We're here investigating allegations arising from a BBC documentary that was filmed recently. Okay, this time you're under arrest for providing an immigration service in contravention of a prohibition contrary to Section 91(1) of the Immigration and Asylum Act 1999.
Good morning. I'm an immigration officer, an immigration enforcement. I'm going to have to arrest you for conspiracy of fraud